Hello, in front of me I have Polar Ignite, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the shortcut panel or quick panel, and here you can scroll left and right like that by swiping on the screen. Now find the Do Not Disturb mode icon, select it like this, and then to enable the mode simply tap on the icon like that. The icon will change the color and it will say on underneath it. Also, if you're on the watch face, you can tell that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled because you have this Do Not Disturb mode icon right here. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel or shortcut menu again, tap on the icon like this, and it should say rather off underneath it. That means that the mode is disabled. You can also enable the mode via the settings. So you can press the back button to open the menu, scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings, select the general settings. Then scroll down, find the Do Not Disturb, tap on it, and here we can select off to disable it or on to enable it, like this. And you have one more option there, as you can see, or you could see rather. You have the on and we have time range. Basically, this option allows you to set up a schedule for Do Not Disturb mode, and you can set it to turn on at certain time and turn off at different time. And if you want to do it, tap on this option. It will bring you to the starts at, and here you can set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on. Then tap on check mark. Next we have end time, set it to whatever you want, and tap on the check mark to confirm. And now you should have the schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. Also, if you go to the quick panel or the shortcut menu, select the icon, you should see it's gonna say off until or on until, basically. Okay, and that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.